Welcome back, everyone. Time for another check of your forecast, and we've got a lot to get to. This is a busy forecast over the next couple of days. After any patchy fog dissipates this morning, we should see plenty of sunshine by this afternoon, much warmer temperatures than what we've seen over the past couple of days, and overall, it will be a quiet start to our work week and a nice tranquil end to the weekend as well. Now, as we take you through the rest of the day today across the tri-state for your neighborhood, you can see temperatures, starting out a little bit on the chilly side, but notice by this evening as you're getting ready for dinner, upper 60s and lower 70s. Maybe this is the first time you dust off the grill, throw some steaks out there tonight, and maybe eat dinner on the back porch. It's going to be an absolutely great evening. The weather will be nice and quiet because we've got a warm front that's crossing the area today. Sort of weak. You really won't notice it when it does so. It's also going to sort of fall apart as it makes its way toward the east, but overall things will be nice and quiet. We've got active weather to our east and active weather developing to our west. That will bring us all that rainfall for Tuesday, which I'll touch on here in just a second. But overall, as we roll through Futurecast, you'll be able to see those mostly clear skies. As we go through the morning hours, maybe clouds start to increase a little bit this evening, but really no big deal. As I said, by the time it's dinner time, upper 60s and lower 70s, really nothing to worry about. Then by tomorrow morning, we start to see those clouds increase ahead of that next weather maker, which will take until Tuesday to really get here. But even by the lunch hour tomorrow, maybe you can eat lunch outside, take a break from work with temperatures upper 60s and 70s yet again. So we're going to call it 74 today, about 20 degrees above where we should be for this time of the year, and those temperatures overall into the 70s. A great day and a great comfortable mild night tonight. Some of us won't fall out of the 60s for our mild temperatures. Then our attention turns to a very strong system that will cross Tuesday and into Wednesday. Plenty of widespread rain, maybe even some rumbles of thunder. It'll rain for most of Tuesday and the first part of Wednesday. And when all is said and done, we could be looking at quite a bit of rain here. Easily an inch or so could fall across the tri-state. So keep that in mind. And we're not done with the rain either. After a brief break on Thursday with temperatures back near 70, another system rolls in here, bringing a renewed chance for showers for both Friday and next Saturday.